What's up? So, I've been doing a little bit of work today. I went through one whole tutorial on CV2. Um, and basically, this is the accumulation of that. There was a whole bunch of stuff like dealing with images and doing transforms on the images and um, matching in some stuff. And at the end of it, you go through and you draw a rectangle around your face on the video stream. So, oh, my stream's having issues. I didn't want to upload this if it's big to Discord or YouTube, so I was hoping the stream would work, but I guess I'm gonna find out. Okay, so it's a pretty simple tutorial to follow. I think it took me a couple hours to get through it, but at the end, you use this model, this frontal face default model with CV2 to draw a rectangle around faces on the frame. So here's our classifier, and then while true, so we do this operation on every single frame. We capture a frame from the camera, and for the camera, I am using a USB camera that I have. So yeah, where was it going with that? Okay, so yeah, so this has to convert it to grayscale, and then it uses this detect multiscale thing to do the face detection on every single grayscaled frame, and then from that it'll paint the rectangle on the original frame and then show the frame. So let me just show you guys that working, and I actually posted this in our Discord earlier, just showing this, but I wanted to kind of show it again because I want to do a comparison today. So there we go, there's me in the webcam, and you can see it hasn't detected my face yet. If I look straight at the camera, it would suddenly detected my face. I also have, yeah, here we go. You can see it's using 261%, 270% of my CPU right now for this program to run. For some reason. I don't know how you can have over 100%, but whatever. So you can see it kind of struggles if I look up, if I look to the side. It really has to be the front of your face, and I don't know if that's the model. Maybe the model I have is different, actually. Anyways, we'll do a comparison, and so I'll quit this. And I will show you the other Python. So yeah, this works more or less the same way. I'm using the same webcam, and then I'm creating this thing. Basically going and taking the models. I got this model from the downloader.py thing that Intel has, and what that can do is it can download where do they come from? I forgot the name of the massive library of things they have, but I have a bunch of models. See, this is face detection, so maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's why the other one can't detect side profiles. But what we'll see is the performance will be a lot better, and the reason is because the other one was using the CPU, and on this one we're setting the target to the Intel Compute Stick 2. So now what this is going to do is kind of do the same thing. It's going to it doesn't have to do the grayscale thing, which is cool because it actually expects it to be in the I think blue, green, red format, whatever the default capture thing is. So it expects that. And then we turn it into a blob. We set the input to the blob, and then we forward it to the device that's actually going to do this computation. And then it comes back it comes back and we have to reshape it, and then basically this just gets the locations of where the face is, and then we do a confidence. So if the confidence is at least 0.5, then we draw the rectangle, and then we just show the frame like the other one did, and release the card and do all that stuff that we need to do. So let's go ahead and show this, and you'll see. Is it running? There we go. I hate Python. It takes so long to load. But I'll make this bigger. You can already see it's detected my face. So yeah. I could look left. I can look right. I can look up. I can look down. But more importantly, if we open this thing up, you can see now we're using 92% of my CPU, which is significantly less than the 200 and something that the other one was using. So not bad. And you can see like I can cover my face. It still detects it. I can like look sideways. I can look up. It's still tracking me. It still knows where the face is. I can't get over how cool that is. So yeah, that's what I've been doing all day. So I will post all this code to Discord. You guys can't obviously do the thing.py because oh yeah, so that's the reason why I couldn't make a version of this code that just didn't use the stick, because you can specify here other targets. You can specify your GPU maybe or your CPU, but on Raspberry Pi it only lets you do the stick, and probably for good reason. I mean, we're using a a not insignificant amount of power to where's the frame? There we go. To draw this frame. I think a lot of the processing power right now is devoted to the frame. Also, I'm on a remote desktop connection, so it's got to do all that. So, yeah, I'm super pleased with this little demo. That's all I had. So, cool. End stream. End.